So they had you at a very old age then.
Yes. My mother have a big family.
That's a lot.
I have 14 brother and sister.
14 brothers and sisters? Wait, 14 brothers and sisters in total?
All have.
That's a big family.
Yes.
That's a big family. That's a big family. No, you know what? That's not even that big, because I got 4 sisters and 4 brothers. That's not even a lot for her. I got 8. That's like 7, 8.
You also have a big family.
A little bit.
Are the most young.
捱夜捱到塊面黃晒，個肝遲早都會冧低。利肝素由奶計草萃取而成，醫學證實8週降低肝酵素，逆轉肝損，助你保護、修護及再生肝細胞。利肝回彈健康，
輝藥膳長健治。
我屋企有好多靚仔㗎，白白淨，仲好香噴噴添，圓碌碌、Q 彈彈，睇見都想咬返啖。咁軟滑咁香，開飯又使乜4圍唱喎？個個靚仔都咁健康又型，秘密係咩？金源靚米，
金源米業，粒粒皆靚米，碗碗都咁靚仔，總有一款啱你口味。金源米業。
She said it's not beautiful.
Because you never turn around.
No, I like, yeah, you're right. I didn't even see her the whole time.
Like this direction.
So I'm about to go, I ain't gonna lie.
Why are you become so famous in China recently? I have no clue.
I can't even answer that my own self. My first stream, it was like, all right. No, it wasn't bad at all. Second stream, okay, it's getting a little crazy. Third stream, whoa, what the hell? Fourth stream, god damn. Fifth, god damn. This? God damn. God damn. God damn. God damn. God damn. What the?
So you have no clue yourself? No.
No, I don't. I think Dorian, bro.
Are
Hello. What?
So are you enjoying all this now?
Huh?
Are you enjoying all this now?
I'm enjoying it, but it's getting overwhelming a little bit. Just a little.
They said we might be able to go to
Okay. Oh my days. That's crazy. That's crazy. Nah. You know what's crazy, bro? This the longest I have like not been crowded. Like how long I've been on this boat for? Maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes? 20 minutes? 30 minutes I've been on this boat? Damn.
45 minutes.
Oh, you married?
No, it's my 怎么说呢？中国不代表结婚，戴戒指不一定代表结婚。
That means single. On this finger means single.
Oh.
Yes.
Are you single?
This single is married.
Oh, so that means single?
Yeah.
And that means marriage?
Yes.
Wait, is that actually a thing?
Are you single? You're single.
Wait, is that?
Yeah.
Wait, so people put their ring on their index finger if they single?
It's beautiful.
That's crazy.
When I say yeah.
What's your name?
问你什么名字？
我知道，张丽琴。
Zhang Liqing?
Yes.
Zhang Liqing.
张
That's your like full name or your first name?
First name.
Full name. Zhang is her given name,
Ling Ching. Jaw Ling Ching. So Ling Ching.
Yes.
Ling Ching. Ling Ching. Ling Ching. Li Ching.
Yes.
Ling Ching. Li Ching. Li Ching.
Do you have Chinese name?
Wait, what's my Chinese name again? Jack Hang. Yo. Jack Hang.
Do you know the meaning of it?
Jack Hang.
Yes.
Speed. Jack Hang.
Close. Close. It's so close.
Jack Hang. That's my name. But my name is Speed.
Your original name is. What's your original name? Your
Speed.
Speed? Really?
Yes.
I never see a foreigner's name is Speed.
Because I'm from a different country. I'm American.
Okay.
In America, they gave me a different name.
Okay.
My mother gave me the birth name Speed. Yeah,
That's cool. That's so cool.
Thank you, thank you. Chad, look at the lights. It looks cool. Did you mute when you said that? Oh. Y'all are so weird. What does that say in Chinese? I mean in English.
Have fun. Live fun.
Have fun and live fun?
Yes.
That's crazy, bro. We've been live for 9 hours, chat. I'm not gonna cap, bro. That's honestly insane, bro. This is my longest stream I've ever did. That shit crazy. It means awesome. It's not like nearly as bad though. It's not like nothing. Oh, they did. We're here. What? Oh, I didn't even get on the ferry. I mean the Ferris wheel. That would actually be fun to do that. I just don't want to cause another big old. Yeah, and the Ferris wheel gonna be like 5 minutes.
You're gonna sit on it.
I'm gonna sit on it. The crowd's gonna build up. Thousands of people. How we gonna leave?
It seems like that people are waiting for you.
Yeah, I know. But I'm like, yeah, I know.
Are you afraid?
This is what I do.
Are you ready to run out of it?
I mean,
Just enjoy?
just enjoy.
Okay.
Enjoy the ride. Here we go. Oh. Watch this.
Be so energetic all the time.
Speed. My name, when I gave him, the day I got birth out of my mom's uterus, it developed a whole nother thing inside of me.
Okay. So the name is all a source of energy?
Exactly.
Cool, cool. Maybe we all
Good.
should change our names.
Yep, good English, good English. No, yours is good.
After 20 days, it's my birthday. Could you happy birthday to me?
Happy birthday to Ling Ching.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ling Ching. Happy birthday to you.
I will happy.
So you turning 26?
Yeah, no, it's
26. You're 25. So
25.
you're 24.
I was born in
2000.
Yeah.
2000. So she turning 25. Happy.
Many people waiting for you.
Hong Kong is nuts, bro.
Everywhere you go, you got so much famous and so much crowd waiting for you.
Yeah, pretty much. I ain't gonna lie, this view looks so good, bro. So I can look back. W trick, W trick, W. Shot by slips trick. Oh, that boat looks cool. Bro, I'm low-key trying to make it to 10 hours, bro. Fuck it. Nah, 12. About 50 minutes.
Do you have anything else? Just stay on the boat and wait for the sun to go away. Out of the rain.
It is?
They want you in that boat. And the girls are like, come on up, boat.
Y'all bring it on the boat! Oh, them are little. This is crazy. What do you say in English? Told you my hoe! 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 Thank. You need to sit? Nah, put your chair right here. Down, 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 down.
Can you write your name?
Writing your name.
Right? What? What did he say? Write my name
Yes.
on your boarding pass?
Your name. Signing.
Oh, I know. I was just reading a boarding pass.
From Hangzhou. Thank you, my friend.
谢谢.
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 It's Chinese Kung Fu.
Uh-huh. You know Kung Fu?
Yes.
Really? Let me see.
Snake.
Yeah, the snake?
No, it's bird. That's snake.
Let me see some moves.
You follow me.
You gotta show me some moves real quick. I just learned Kung Fu. I just learned some Kung Fu too. You gotta show me some moves.
I just know a little.
All right, let's go. Show
不
me.
要骂我啊，我只知道一丢丢。
Okay. Okay.
Snake.
That's snake. Okay, what else?
Snake.
Snake? Oh. I'm just.
And
Oh. Ooh.
and with bird.
Bird? Tang Lang Chen?
Yes.
What's funny?
It's in our Chinese kung fu.
Oh. Tang Lang Chen.
Yes.
This. Oh.
You are so smart.
I'm smart?
Yes.
Yeah, I know. I learned, I was at a monk temple.
You are so smart.
Mm-hmm.
That's all.
This is hard to keep your balance on this boat. Oh, that's why you wanted to sit down? Yeah, let's sit down. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Backflip? This boat rocking.
好怕有人骂我。
I can't do a backflip. You saying your spring speed don't end? What could we do? Literally nothing. Everything would just go to pieces. That's what I'm saying. So at the minute we get off, this is GG's, bro. Like, I don't know what y'all want, bro. Everybody subscribe and like, though, chat. We've been live for 10 hours. We gained 120,000 subs, bro. I love y'all for that. Hong Kong, chat, in Hong Kong, we gained 120,000 subs. That is unbelievable, bro.
Please.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Put some for money, huh? No. Thank you.
That'll be 50.
Put it on the top. Oh, another one. Please. Thank you. Please.
You know I got you.
Yes.
You know I got you, triplet.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
There you go. There you go. Right here?
Last one. Thank you.
This is your hotel.
Please. Another one. Thank you.
There y'all go, Shizhen.
Who else?
It's dark. Chat, y'all see the night view? Night view looks sick. Long ass stream, long ass stream. This was a long ass stream, chat. A long ass stream, chat. Long ass stream, chat.
到了是吧？又有人要签名了。
There's already proof my stream.
Can you sub for me to?
Do you want me to sign all of these?
These two, I give you.
Oh. I was about to be like, four?
Thank you.
I was about to be like,
Yes.
Thank you.
yo.
And he wants to take photo with you.
I was about to be like, what the hell, boy?
你放这上面写吧。
Oh, Shin Shin. Shin Shin. There you go.
Thank you.
That's four.
Thank you.
That's four. Let's go.
那是3张吧？那是3张吧？多发了一页，多发了一页。Can I take a photo with you?
One more, one more, one more, one more.
Oh,
One more.
us.
One more, one more, one more, one more. One more, one more, one more. Oh, I'm tripping. I'm looking at my stream. Shin.
Thank you.
Shin.
I want to take picture too.
Shin, y'all better rápido.
Thank you.
让他过去。
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm taking.
Smile. Thanks. Hey.
There you go. Anybody else? If you
呢度幫你辦理登機手續，踏上精彩退休之旅。你哋有幾多件行李啊？
一間屋。
哇 ！HKMC Retire Free， 仲安老按揭，月有長糧，仲可以選擇一筆過套現，滿足你嘅需要。間屋繼續住又得，或者租出去，多份收入都得。
正喎！
退休咪走寶，打嚟25360833揾三寶啦。
HKMC Retire Free。
每次望住佢仔，佢就喺度諗啊，千祈唔好盲。佢一諗，我唔可以死，我唔可以死。我係林嘉欣。佢嗰個眼壓嘅問題咧，係有時痛到咧係佢講唔到嘢，佢食唔到嘢，瞓唔到覺，係好唔容易。而佢真係好堅強。
請支持奧比斯每月捐款，還孩子未來一片光明。
White and black. Yeah. Come on. 快嚟。
There you go. 谢谢。Let's go. The whole boat getting one.
Yeah.
The whole boat. There we go. There we go.
Thank you.
All right. All right, chat. We ready? Oh, my finances. Bruh.
Thank you.
Be fine. We just get through. Bro, we can low-key stream for 10 hours, bro. We can make 10 hours. We can make 10 hours. That'll be legendary. That'll be legendary. Legendary. It's gotten dark. It's really gotten dark. I really started streaming at 9 a.m. Bro, my body gonna be so sore tomorrow. Ain't no way my body not gonna be sore tomorrow. Ain't no way I'm not gonna be sore tomorrow. I know. I'm tired, bro. I'm not even tired for a low key. Yo, pick the camera up, I'm ready to go, bro. I'm not even tired. That's crazy, though. I just did a 10-hour IRL stream, and I'm not tired for some reason. I think it's a drillion.
The longest one before this was 2 days ago at Chongqing for 6.5 hours.
Oh, shit. She's in. My back killing me.
You are so tired.
10 hours live.
10 hours. So tired.
The cars can't get to us.
Not properly, so we're going to do a 5-minute walk to them.
5-minute walk.
Yeah,
I don't even want to take that. If we gonna walk, we might as well have to. We gotta dock now and leave before the crowd get too big. Birthday gift? I don't even have nothing to gift her. I can give her this Ronaldo card. You know what? Since because of your birthday, even though I'm the biggest One Piece fan, take this to remember me.
I will remember you. Thank you.
Happy birthday. Keep that for the remembrance.
It's so cute.
That's Luffy.
I know. 海贼王的男人，我是要成为海贼王的男人。听不懂了的。路飞，海贼王。
海贼王?
Yes.
I'm lost. What's he saying?
等一下，我们也是我的包包里。
Oh, you know Luffy?
Yes.
Oh, she know Luffy.
我看一下，我有什么好送的。
She knows Luffy's. She actually knows Luffy, chat. W. By the way, you watch One Piece? You watch One Piece?
One Piece. 玩的又是知识盲区。
That's the.
没有什么东西可以回礼的呀。
She actually knows One Piece. What happened?
We're getting off. I'm gonna say it.
We getting off finally. Bro, I low-key want to stream for. Bro, 30 more minutes, it's a 10-hour stream.
That's what I was thinking.
那你没东西送他。
I'm glad you're happy about your gift. I didn't know it was people down here too.
All right, let's walk in formation, boys. All right, boys, get ready.
Let's go. Bye-bye. I'm so sorry. Oh my God.
Thank you. Yeah, we know where to go.
What is this? Pizza. I want to give me one. We're not getting off though. Oh, we are.
Let's go. All right, let's go, boys.
Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, I'm good, I'm good. Let's go. The car's right here. All right, chat. Wasn't too much people. But anyways, though, chat, W stream, chat. I love y'all boys so much. What if we try one more time, though? Because it's dark now. What if the kids, like, went to their house yet?
They gonna watch you too out, bro. They're gonna start watching.
What if they got a curfew? Is it not curfew?
It's not even. It's only 7.
Y'all don't got curfews in Hong Kong?
They're still out.
It's not even 7 yet.
It's 5 to 7.
It's no curfews here?
No, bro, it's not even 7. If it was 9, it'd be different. It's not even 7 yet.
Yeah, everyone's going out tonight.
I low-key